100.
Yeah.
Credit number 100. Alright, here we go. Number 100. Oh man. My 100th coaster, here we go. By the way, there's gonna be a scream at the top. Okay? No. Sound effect. You'll hear it. Here we go. Whoa, that ride was good. That was...
Aside from the blood rushing in my feet all the time.
That was a great ride.
Good ride.
That was... You could feel it was a little more floaty though.
Yeah.
You could feel B&M did put a little new B&M touch into this, but I definitely felt intensity still. Oh man, that was a...
I know we paid a lot of extra money, but we literally just walked by those people who've been standing in line for hours.
Yeah.
We paid a lot of extra money too.
I feel bad, but I mean, we literally we haven't been here 5 minutes and we just rode this ride.
Yeah, and they're just sitting there. Yeah. Well, all I know is that was my 100th credit, so that was a big deal for me. No boy was it a good one. Oh man. Alright, gotta turn this